What's up, guys? Welcome back to Simple Builds, episode 2 of the Mustang project. We got tons of new parts getting installed on this thing today. It's going to be a good episode. You're not going to want to miss it. We also start prepping it for paint. We also picked up new wheels. We got a ton of stuff, tons of progress going on this thing. Spraying these wheels, we're going to be refinishing them with Superwraps Sprayable DIY Vinyl Wrap. So I'm going to let you guys know my review on that. I'm pretty excited to see how it really, how glossy it really comes out. So we got a ton of progress to make on this thing today. So let's jump right into it. We got some new taillights, so we're going to throw these in. As you can see, the old ones are cracked right here and also here, so we need these new ones bad. Alright, I know they don't look that different, but the old ones were all cracked, so these are nice, new and shiny. See how much brighter these brake lights look. dusty up in here. You guys can see how smooth this top of this roof is now compared to the other side. That's all chunky and dry rotted and crappy, so we're gonna go sand the other side down. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about here. You can see that, right? It's just absolutely chunky, brittle. Nice and smooth. Get this broken mirror off. Alright, let's throw the new mirror in from Auto and Truck Mirrors Unlimited. I'm accepting sponsorships, guys. Who wants to support a small YouTube channel? Send me some parts. Let's work on another build together. Let's set something up. Hit me up. Ooh, look how nice this new mirror is. And I'm gonna get it all dirty. Sweet! I'm gonna get some sticky tape. Alright guys, so here's the wheels. It's the wheel reveal. It's not the official reveal because I'm going to make them look brand new, but here they are. Cobra wheels off the same year, Mustang, so I think this is going to look super sick. We're going to make these look completely new. We're going to refresh the whole thing. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to use Superwrap. I'm going to show you guys the product that I ordered, and I've heard good things about that company, so we're going to try it out. Superwrap, sponsor me. Alright, let's get to it. Let's open this Superwrap. I'll show you guys what it comes with. A little unboxing. We got a thank you card. Pretty cool. I like the Porsche. Tape. Do it yourself prep spray. That's sweet. I'm excited for that. I was wondering what I should use for that. And we got a microfiber, tiny little tape and drape. So cute. And the Superwrap. It says easy to apply, easy to peel off, automotive pigment, paint-like finish. So I'm excited for this stuff. It's got a different tip on it too, from what I'm seeing. I'm excited to try this stuff out. So I'll let you guys know how it looks. Whoa, something's broken. Cool. So we're just gonna jump right into this, guys. I've showed you guys what we're gonna use. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So now we're gonna go to step 2, and that's gonna be sanding. So let's get started. Alright, they're all sanded up. Got the stems glue taped. I always kind of noise going on in this neighborhood. This dog won't shut up. We got the valve stems taped up, and we got them all sanded down. They got some weird, I'm not gonna go too crazy on these wheels. They were cheap wheels. Found them on Marketplace for 300 bucks, so they're just gonna look real nice once they're all fresh and painted. But they got some really weird marks. I don't know if it's from the last guy's paint job. Right here, you guys can see, it got some weird like worm marks, and those are all over, but I'm not too worried about it. For our next step, we gotta wash these down. We're gonna use some Chemical Guys cleaner, and we're gonna wash these wheels down. We're gonna get them ready for paint. Let's do it. flat. It's nice. Nice alcohol base. It's all in the prep, guys. This is a huge step. Make sure you do your prep thoroughly. It's going to completely change the outcome and how long and how durable your wrap job will be. These feel pretty good, and we're going to start laying down the first tack coat. Alright. First tack coat's going down. Nice even coats, back and forth, overlapping. Not too heavy, 8 to 12 inches away. They want you to do 3 coats and then like 10 wet coats. That's a lot of coats. Alright, coat number 3, and then a couple more coats after that. And then after that, I'm not going to film those. I'm going to do a time lapse of this one, and I'll show you guys how they came out. You guys like how these wheels turned out. I think they turned out pretty sweet. All in all, super wrap, pretty good. I like it. It's good stuff. It sprays good. It was a little cold for it today, so I think it towards the end of the bottle would be a little bit more chunky than I'd like. It's in like the 40s today. So super wrap stuff. I definitely recommend it. Super cool. Go hit up the guys over there at Super Wrap, and I'm sure they'll hook you up. Tell them Simple Builds sent you. They're not going to give you a discount, but no, I hope they see this video. They can check it out. That's it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more stuff. We got some exciting things in the works. Hopefully, maybe some giveaways down the line. As we keep growing, things are going to get bigger and better on here. So leave a like, subscribe for more. There's going to be a lot more content. Stay tuned for this thing. It's going to be sweet when it's all finished up. The wheels came out awesome. And once I get the new clutch, we got a new clutch coming. New clutch and throwout bearing are going in. So once that happens, that's going to go in for paint. We're going to wrap it, or liquid wrap, whatever you want to call it. Stay tuned. Got a lot of exciting things, updates, and thanks for sticking around for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.